Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and if you asked me what is my favorite pot or pan in the kitchen, it would by far be this Dutch oven by Creuset. I not only love this beautiful orange color, I know it's a little bit funky, but so am I, and it matches my kitchen. I love how versatile it is to use. I can saute in this, I can make soups and stews in this, and I can even pop it in the oven to bake with this. Not a week goes by that I don't use this Dutch oven. I make lots of different kinds of soups. I have made whole chickens in here. I absolutely love this thing. It is so durable and sturdy. The ceramic coating inside, the enamel is so easy to keep clean. I don't throw this in my dishwasher. I hand wash it, but I can give it a good scrub and it'll be nice and clean, but it's also seasoned. So I know that it is adding flavor to my future dishes that I make. I absolutely love mine, and I know that you're going to love yours. And that's my point of view.